Do you want to know how to get grubby upholstery to look like this for pennies? Keep watching. With the price of diesel hitting £2 a litre here in the UK, I decided to buy an economical runaround to ease the cost of my daily commute. The seats in the car were pretty dirty, and I had no upholstery cleaner to hand. Then I remembered a video Leah from CJ and Drill did a while ago, and I thought I'd see if it really worked. If you haven't seen Leah's videos, I urge you to check them out. She has some amazing DIY tips and tricks. First, you're going to need an old spray bottle, some isopropyl alcohol, dish soap, and water. Oh, and a funnel to help you get everything into the spray bottle. Start with about ½ inch of isopropyl alcohol. And the same again with dish soap. I like to eyeball it, but it's about 5% isopropyl alcohol and 5% dish soap. Top the bottle up with water. And give it a gentle shake. It's a good idea to add a label, so you don't forget what's in the bottle and you don't mistake it for anything else. If you have no labels, write on the bottle with a Sharpie. Generously spray the upholstery, a small area at a time. You want to wet the surface, but not soak it. Gently scrub the upholstery with a nail brush. You may need to add more cleaner and repeat if necessary. Wipe over the upholstery with a damp microfiber cloth before moving to the next area to be cleaned. I took the seats out of the car to clean them, as I was giving the interior a full deep clean, but you don't need to. I'm sure you'll agree that the results are incredible considering the cleaner costs next to nothing to make. If you have any DIY hacks, tips or tricks you'd like to share, please tell us about them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching